In a vibrant neighborhood in Cape Town, South Africa, lives a remarkable individual named Sia, known as the lightning speed reader. From a young age, Sia displayed an uncanny ability to devour books at a pace unimaginable to most, finishing hefty tomes in just a few hours. This extraordinary talent has allowed Sia not only to enjoy a vast array of literature, but also to assist students and professionals by summarizing and analyzing complex texts in record time. Despite facing challenges, such as skepticism about the legitimacy of this skill, Sia's journey has been one of resilience and determination. Through workshops and motivational talks, Sia inspires countless others to embrace the joy of reading and the power of knowledge.